Hi everyone, welcome to another Network Guru Snapchat tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to find your deleted friends on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a like, as it really helps me out. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. From the Snapchat camera, select your profile located in the top left corner of the app. This will take you to your Snapchat profile. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down until you find My Data, located just above Support. Tap on My Data to proceed. In the My Data section, scroll down and select the data you'd like to include. Make sure to toggle on Export HTML files and uncheck unnecessary options like Spotlight, Shopping, Support, History, Ranking, Location, Memories, and others. Keep only User Info and Chat History selected. After configuring your data preference, scroll down and select Next. Adjust the data range to include the period when you were friends with the person you want to find or when you deleted them. Then tap Submit. Snapchat will generate the data, which may take some time. You'll receive an email notification when it's ready. Once received, go back to My Data in the Snapchat settings, find the Export and select Download to save it to your device. Navigate to your device Downloads folder using the Files app. Locate the downloaded zip file, unzip it and open the folder. Inside, find the HTML file labeled Friends and open it. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of your friends, including your deleted friends, displaying the username, display name, and the date you were friends with them or when you unfriended them. That is it. Now you know how to find your deleted friends on Snapchat. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. For more Snapchat tips and tutorials, check the links in the description if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Network Guru for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.